You know what's better than pork chops? Turkey chops, especially with my homemade Cajun gravy. Watch this. Grab about 5 or 6 boneless turkey chops, drench them in buttermilk, and then for the marinade, we're gonna add that dirty bird rub. 13 herbs and spices all in one bottle. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Add a little hot sauce, then get in there with your hands, mix it on up, cover, refrigerate for at least 2 hours, overnight if you can. Now let's work on that dry mix. We're gonna add that Delta dust to our flour, and this is gonna give it that Papados flavor, that Cajun flavor we're looking for. You can get this seasoning from UncleDibbz.com. Shake off any of that excess buttermilk from your chops, and then coat it with that Cajun flavor. Give it a nice shake, and then throw it on a wire rack. Repeat this process until all your chops are dredged in flour. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry these chops until they're crispy and golden brown. Fry each side for about 4 to 5 minutes or until you get an internal temperature of 165. Now we cannot forget about that gravy. Save about 2 tablespoons of that oil, add a little bit of flour, give it all a whisk, slowly add your chicken broth, then add some more of that Delta dust to flavor up that gravy. Keep stirring until it's rich and creamy, and then drizzle it all over your chops just like this, shawty. Let me know in the comments what side you want with these turkey chops. To get this full recipe, visit the link in my bio.
That's good, shorty.